In this video, you'll learn how to add a bio on your Stan store. This process allows you to provide essential information about yourself or your business, helping customers connect with you more personally. Begin by navigating to your Stan store. Look for the left sidebar, which contains various options to manage your store. Within this sidebar, find and click on the option labeled My Store. This will take you to the main management interface. Once you are on the store management page, look for your profile photo or logo displayed prominently in the store preview area. This section is typically located at the top of the page, making it easy to identify. Ensure that this image is correctly uploaded as it represents your store visually. Next, locate the pencil icon, which appears right next to your profile photo or logo. This icon symbolizes the edit function. Click the pencil icon to initiate the editing process for your store's profile. After clicking the pencil icon, a bio section will appear on the screen. This section allows you to add or modify the text that describes you or your business. Hover over the bio section until you see the cursor change, indicating that it is editable. Click directly on the bio section to begin typing your bio. Here, you can share key details such as your background, interests, or what customers can expect from your store. Keep in mind that clarity and conciseness are important for engaging your audience effectively. Once you've finished typing your bio, look for the option to save your changes. Click the button labeled Save to ensure that your new bio is stored and displayed on your store. It is essential to check that your changes have been applied successfully, which you can confirm by viewing the updated store preview. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.